Install in just 3 minutes, a step-by-step guide. What you will receive: Roman shade ×1. User guide 1. Brackets ×2. Screws ×4. What else do you need? Prepare: pencil, tape measure, hammer, drill. Inside mount, installed within the window frame. Advantages: 1. Beautiful and simple. 2. Space-saving. 3. Unobstructed windowsill for regular item placement. 1. Mark a position on the window frame and measure the distance from the edge. 2. Mark the other end at the same distance. 3. Drill holes at the marks and install the brackets. Outside mount. Wall installation: 1. No side light leakage, wider coverage for maximum privacy. 2. Flexible installation, no window frame required. 3. High tolerance for size selection. 1. Drill and install brackets at your desired position. 2. Measure the distance between the screws and the top of the window frame. 3. Measure the same distance and mark at the other side. 4. Install the other bracket. 5. Now both brackets are level. 6. Tear off the Velcro, clip the shade onto the brackets and press the handle firmly.